Hey, I just wanted to give a shout out to Jason Coleman. Congratulations. You just got a new sign up. It's Scott Beebe, April Dowling. Great work, guys. This is really going well. Now, yep. So go ahead, and if you want to join the team, go ahead and click the link below this video. You're gonna see this come up. Just put your name and email in there. Okay. And then go through this page. Watch this video. If you need more information about GDI, the company has been around 27 years. That's our foundation. You can watch this video. This is only like 2 minutes. This is like a couple minutes too. And then just read how it works right here, how to get onto my rotator. Okay, and then decide which one is right for you. The basic, which gets you onto this rotator, or if you go premium level for GDI, it gets you on this rotator and that rotator both. Okay? Now, remember, the only way you can get on the rotator is to join from the rotator. So most likely you're not going to see my name on this one. Okay? But still join. It's one of my team members. Okay? And if you do end up going to one of my older things and joining with me, be prepared to be moved, okay? Because this is all about the multi-rotator system, about helping my team to grow, okay? So again, congratulations to Jason, and April, and Scott.